world. My government will facilitate a more SME level to strengthen production links across business and industry. Efforts will therefore be put in place to improve economic efficiencies through the use of appropriate technology and innovations. There is need for the modernization and strengthening of our social services sector to improve the efficiency and quality of service delivery. My government will move swiftly to establish and construct health, education, and water sanitation infrastructure in our country. This is a promise we will deliver. In a bid to kickstart the industrialization process, we have set up incubation hubs, encourage innovation to ensure that our education sector speaks to the present and the future socio-economic, technological, and scientific needs of our country. As our promise, my administration will continue to prioritize the advancement and empowerment of women, youth, and disabled in every sphere of our economy. We will make firm and deliberate efforts to strengthen their capacity to participate in the economy and in governance. In all these initiatives, the creation of jobs, and more jobs will be at the core of our policies. Ladies and gentlemen, the vision of a new and a prosperous Zimbabwe, the Zimbabwe we want, is a shared one and transcends political party lines. As your president, I pledge to act fairly and passionately, without fear or favor, as the president of all Zimbabweans. As I have always said, I am your listening president, a servant leader. In this vein, those who will occupy public office at any level under my administration will be required to exercise servant leadership in the execution of their duties. They must be humble and responsive in their interactions and dealings with the citizens. Equally, the bureaucracy in the Second Republic must be development-oriented, responsive to people's needs, as well as exhibit high principles of professional ethics and integrity. My administration will therefore expect the public sector officials to deliver quality and timely services to the people, as well as facilitate business, trade, and industry. Bureaucratic bottlenecks and unnecessary delays, the stagnant and the corrupt activities will not be tolerated. We must